What's up, everyone? Today we'll be talking about the 5 best budget EDC items that I have found on Amazon. These are my personal preference of what I believe are the 5 best, and hopefully you will agree with me. And to start things off, we will do just a little quick pocket dump for myself. And today I am carrying this Civivi Imperium. It is Nitro V for the blade steel. My pen is this Zebra 301 black ink. I have a lighter on me today. This is my Tesla coil lighter. And my watch for the day, don't have it on right now, but will be this Casio Duro. I just love the simple look of that Casio. My flashlight for the day is this Olight i3E EOS. Just a little keychain flashlight. And then my wallet for the day is the Recycled Firefighter Slim Front Pocket Wallet. That is it for my carry today. Get this stuff out of the frame here. Alright. Now the first item will be my part of my key organization. It is this Keybar magnut, and it is probably a good 15 pounds of pull before you separate these two. It is a very strong magnet for the size, and I have not lost my keys off of that thing at all. Normally I have my car key here and then hooked to my carabiner on my pants or my belt loop, and it works very well. I like it. It has come in handy quite often, and I will not go back to another type of quick release. The magnetic ones are far superior in my opinion. And that Keybar magnet comes in at $14.94 on Amazon. My next item is attached to this flashlight. It is part of my EDC for the day. My little multi-tool pry bar bottle opener for today is this Bang TI Punisher pry bar. It is titanium and extremely lightweight. And this comes in at $16.99. And next, we'll be taking a little look at my belt organizer for my multi-tool, a bigger flashlight, and a pen when I carry those. It is this Gentlestache leather belt organizer, and it is pretty decent quality for the price. There are a couple complaints with the way that it is molded on there for the pin and everything, but my multi-tool fits nicely. The flashlight, everything stays in place. I have no complaints. And for only $21.99, this thing it has been great. I recommend it for sure. I have enjoyed it. I've used it quite a bit since I've got it. It's been a few months and it has not left my belt loops. And for the next item is this Viperade VE3 pocket organizer. It has Velcro for your patches or ranger eyes. if you want to display any of those. Has a nice pocket here on the inside. I usually keep a lighter, earbuds, a little microfiber towel in there. And this side has spots for, well, I have a notebook in there, your knife, multi-tool, pen, whatever else you want to keep on here with these elastic straps. And it is a very nice pocket organizer. You can replace your wallet with cards and money in here and still be able to carry everything else that you want to. I like it quite a bit. Alright, we'll take these out for just a second and bring this stuff back in. The last item that I have is my EDC sling bag. It is this the price is $25.99. And there's a pocket up here, and I would normally have my little other Viperade pouch in there with my knife and pen and all that set up in this pocket. And then you have some more storage right here. Usually keep some extra cords or batteries or something in that. And then we have another pocket here. I keep all kinds of fire starter, hand warmers, lighter, anything like that I would need in case of emergency. And then in here is my power bank, and I usually have a little USB adapter for power source to plug it in, charge it if I need to. And back here, usually my work gloves are in here, but I took them out. They're probably in my truck right now. But this is a little conceal carry, or another pocket on it in the very back that's somewhat hidden. Oh yeah. Over here on this side is a little pouch for a small water bottle. Very small. I keep some extra caffeine mixers and granola bar, something to snack on for the day. This thing usually comes with me in my truck to work. And then the big compartment, I have a few different things in here. It's got some decent storage. I keep a small little med kit in here. And then got stuff in here. I'm using my old setup today so that I could show you what all I could store in here. But I keep my gimbal, my tripod, everything that I need to record in here. I also have a little rain poncho. That's my tripod, extension. Keep some wipes in case you have to clean up or something. And that'll do it for that. And like I said, that backpack comes in at $25.99. It is a very durable, it feels good, nice adjustable strap with some padding. I like this backpack a lot. It's a nice sling bag. You can wear it on the back, on the side, front. Everything feels nice and comfortable. And to go over everything, bring out this stuff again. Magnut and the pry bar. Alright, to go over the prices one more time real quick. The magnut, $14.94. The Bang TI pry bar, $16.99. This Gentlestache multi-tool organizer, $21.99. And then the Viperade pocket organizer is also $21.99. And the backpack is $25.99. I thank you all for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, I have giveaways up for 350 subscribers and a few planned for 500, 750, and 1,000. Thank you all again. See you soon.